Yeah, dude.
Yeah, you can't pass folks right there.
That was a passing zone.
No, there's a double line on the hill, and I was literally looking
I didn't pass until there was broken lines back
at it.
there. I can pull the video off the dash cam, sir. I don't want to argue, but I'm not happy. Asshole.
Hello.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
I got pulled over by Robertsdale passing an illegal passing zone.
Did you really?
Yeah, he told me it wasn't a passing zone, that he watched me, and I'm like, okay, well, I can pull it off my dash cam. Took my license back like he was going to give me a ticket, and then he shut his damn mouth and drove off.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I realized I called him out on his bullshit.
That's so fucking stupid.
Anyway, I'm heading back towards Burnett. Now it's that 10-minute waste of time has happened.
These Robertsville cops are assholes.
That was fucking ridiculous. Like, he told me I was arguing with him. I'm like, I passed an illegal passing zone. I can pull my dash cam and show you.